Hey guys, so here I have about 4 pounds of drumsticks with the skin on, and I already seasoned it, but I forgot to show you, so I'm going to show you now. I seasoned it with 2 packs of Sazon, Big and Bold barbecue rub, liquid smoke, and the barbecue grill, and I'm going to top it off with the barbecue sauce inside the slow cooker, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I've had the crock pot slow cooker on high already for like 20 minutes. It's nice and hot. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the chicken and I'm just gonna dump it in here. It's all nice and coated. Okay, next is the barbecue sauce. You can use whatever you have. Doesn't have to be any specific barbecue sauce. You're just gonna top it. You're not gonna mix it. And you're gonna cover it and let it slow cook for like 2.5 hours. Then just you put it on a flat pan into the broiler for about 10 minutes to make the skin crispy. Because in this house, we don't like soft skin. All right, guys, enjoy. Okay, you guys, so it's been almost, actually 2 hours. As you can see, it gave off its own like broth. So now what I'm gonna do is, it's very tender, the chicken, so I'm not gonna pick it up with tongs, but I'm gonna put it onto this tray and I'm going to put it in the broiler. Okay, so I just seasoned it with the barbecue rub, and now I'm gonna put a little more barbecue sauce on top, just because I'm broiling it and we want the skin to get crispy and we want it to be extra sticky. And this one is hickory barbecue. Okay, so I can't find my brush, so anything will work. Just rub it on there very well, the way you like it. I'm not gonna flip them because we're like starving. I'm just gonna do one side, and it's a really thin metal pan, so the gravy that was produced, you can put it on the table so you can use as a dipping sauce. It's really good. So now you're gonna take the gravy that it gave off and just put a little bit on the sides, not on top of what you just glazed, and just so it doesn't like burn or anything. And then the rest of the Okay, so this is how you want it to look, nice and torched. And just like that, 5 minutes in, done zo.